with another recipe. I know it's been a while, but I am really back at it. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm here with a very simple recipe. We are going to cook parboiled rice. It is super simple and tasty, and it's really popular. When I cook it, my family loves it. So let's get to the recipe. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna cook only 1 cup of rice because we're only 2 and we don't eat too much rice. I soak the rice prior to cooking. It's always better that way so it doesn't take so much time to cook. And also for the ingredients that I am using, they're so simple. I am using the olive oil. If you don't like olive oil, you can use canola, any oil that you love. But today I'm using this. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm using chicken stock to make my life much easier and this recipe simpler for you guys. I am using pre-fried onions, which is so easy to use this one. Okay, I'll show you guys. So for the celery, I'm using about 1 cup and finely chopped. And for the spices, I'm using only Italian herb and spices, and also I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt and pepper at the end. That's it. You just want to make sure about your salt because this guy is salty, so just make sure adjust your salt according to this one. I use just a pinch, just to have that taste. That's it. We have our pot, heat on to the max. Pour your olive oil. It's about probably 4 spoons. Now everything is really quick, okay? So you want to make sure you bring your heat to the medium, I guess. And this is pre-fried, so be sure not to fry it so much. At the same time, we're adding the Italian spice. And also the chicken stock, the tomato paste, and we're also adding the celery. Stir well. We're just crushing the cube right here. Also, you can add some water before dropping your cube in here. So that's also an option, but I never do that. I'll just crush it on the spot. Once you mix everything and all the flavors come together, and the flavors will infuse the rice, and it's gonna be awesome and tasty. So as you can see, we drained the water, and now it's time to add the rice. I'm just gonna add a bit of salt. I am also adding a bit of black pepper, just a bit, for the taste. Mix well before adding the water. So for now, we're adding 1 cup. Because I never add all the water at the same time. I wait, I cook it 10 minutes and come back to it and check it out. And then if it needed more water, I will just add a bit more or a glass, depending on the rice. Just cover it now, maybe 10 minutes. So it has been 10 minutes and now we're checking the rice. Looks like it needs 1/2 cup of water. So we're just gonna add that. Mix well. And we're just gonna put the cover on and bring the heat to 2. Let it cook for 10 minutes and we're gonna come back and check it out. So my famous rice is ready. As you can see, it didn't take so much time. Anybody can make this and it looks super delicious. So I'm just gonna try this out for you guys, see how the taste is. And before that, I always have some lemon on top. I got my lemon, squeeze that on top. Ooh. And look at that celery. It's not so cooked, so it's, you know, you have that crunch, I guess. I love it. Absolutely so delicious. It is so good. I'm not kidding you. The celery is so good. It's crunchy. The lemon juice, it brings an amazing taste to it. So I hope you guys like this recipe and enjoy it at home. Let me know in the comments down below. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also please do follow me at Sahar's Life 1 on my Instagram. And I hope you guys enjoyed this simple recipe. Until next video or next week, bye bye.